Hi! Today on Araw-Araw Filipino, we will continue to learn how to speak everyday Filipino. Our lesson today is about saying thanks in Filipino, and this is part 2. In part 1 of this lesson, we learned that thank or thanks is salamat in Filipino. To say thank you, we say salamat or salamat po. We add the po to say thanks respectfully to someone who is older than us. Or sometimes we also use po when talking to someone we work for or someone of a higher rank than us. We have also learned that this is how you say thanks for something that is on hand. Thank you for this is salamat po para dito. For this is para dito. Next, this is how you say thanks for something nearby. You say thank you for that in English, and in Filipino, salamat po para diyan. For that is para diyan. Next is saying thank you for something that is further away or not present. To say thank you for that, we say salamat po para doon. For that is para doon. When the thing that you are saying thank you for is further away from you or is not even present. Here is a recap of what we have learned so far about saying thanks for something in Filipino. Thanks for this is salamat po para dito. Thanks for that, salamat po para diyan. Thanks for that, salamat po para doon. Remember the difference of diyan and doon is that para diyan is for something that is nearby, para doon is for something that is further away or not even present. Now we will continue to learn how to say thank you, this time for more than one thing or for many things. For things that are on hand, we say thank you for this. In Filipino, salamat po para sa mga ito. For this is para sa mga ito. Now let us learn how to say thank you for things that are nearby. Thank you for those. Salamat po para sa mga iyan. For those is para sa mga iyan. Next, if you want to give thanks for things that are further away or not present, thank you for those is salamat po para sa mga iyon. For those things that are further away or not present, we say para sa mga iyon. Here is a recap of what we have learned so far about saying thanks for many things in Filipino. Thanks for this. Salamat po para sa mga ito. Thanks for those. Salamat po para sa mga iyan. Thanks for those. Salamat po para sa mga iyon. Remember that the difference of iyan and iyon is that we use iyan for things that are nearby, and we use iyon for things that are further away or not present. What about if you want to give thanks for everything? To say thanks for everything in Filipino is salamat po para sa lahat. For everything is para sa lahat. Here is another way to give thanks for everything. You can say thank you for everything in Filipino as salamat po sa iyo para sa lahat or salamat po sa inyo para sa lahat. The difference between iyo and inyo is that iyo is saying thanks to one person and inyo is saying thanks to more than one person. So that's our lesson for today. And as a homework, practice saying thank you for things every day using the Filipino word for thank you, which is salamat po. I hope you can join us again next time on Araw-Araw Filipino. Thank you. Salamat po. Now, a few words from my son, Max.
Thought this video was cool? Watch the next one and like and subscribe to the channel too if you haven't yet.
Bye-bye.
Bye!